While the German Chancellor flew kites with PM Modi in Ahmedabad, activists here renewed demands for the return of 5-year-old Ariha Shah, who was seized from her parents in Germany on allegations of abuse by her parents in 2021.
माँ के दूध पे जो बच्चे थे वो लेके चले गए, उस पे क्या बीती होगी? 7 महीने के बच्चे को उठा के रख दिया।
So what is the Ariha Shah case?
बच्चे बोलते हैं मम्मा तू साथ चल, मम्मा तू साथ चल, कोई सुनता नहीं है।
Ariha was born in Berlin in February 2021 to Gujarati parents Bhavesh and Dhara Shah. But just months later, the family's life was to turn upside down.
बच्ची जब 7 महीने की थी, उसके डायपर में हमें ब्लड दिखा, हम डॉक्टर के पास लेके गए, उन्होंने सब ठीक है करके भेज दिया। और जब हम फॉलो अप करके लेके गए तो उन्होंने चाइल्ड सर्विसेज को इन्फॉर्म करके बच्ची को उन्हें दे दिया।
According to reports, German doctors had reported a genital injury to Germany's Child Welfare Agency. The agency then took custody of the infant, citing concerns of possible abuse. The parents denied the allegation, saying that the injury was likely caused by Ariha's visiting grandmother. In 2022, authorities ruled out sexual abuse charges against the parents, but the court referred to 2 injuries, one to the head and another to the genitals, and concluded that removing the child from parental custody was necessary to prevent potential harm.
पहले तो एक जर्मन चाइल्ड एक फॉस्टर ओल्ड लेडी के पास थी, अब तो उसे चिल्ड्रन सेंटर में डाल दिया।
Since 2022, Indian officials have said they have formally raised the issue with Germany, maintaining that Ariha's continued stay in German foster care infringes on her cultural rights as an Indian national.
इस विषय में जर्मन एम्बेसडर को बुलाया गया था।
I raised the issue of Ariha Shah.
According to Reuters, Germany's foreign office has maintained that the matter lies with the courts and it has no authority to influence judicial decisions. According to reports, during the German ambassador's visit to India on January 12, Prime Minister Modi raised the case of Ariha Shah. Dhara and Bhavesh Shah are allowed to visit their daughter twice a month and have been granted 4 visits to a local temple in Berlin to keep her familiar with her Indian roots.
हमें देना कि नहीं देना ये प्रोसेस चल रहा है। अरिया को भारत सरकार को क्यों नहीं दे रहे?
As of January 2026, Ariha has lived in 5 different foster homes and remains separated from her parents.
No.